Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download GTA San Andreas on Android for free. Alright, let's begin. First of all, start by opening the Netflix app on your mobile device and signing in with your account credentials. Ensure you have an active subscription, as this is necessary to access the games. Once done, get to the bottom and tap on the Games tab, where you can either browse or use the search bar to find GTA San Andreas. Once you locate the game, select its tile to access the installation page. Then, tap on Install, and it will redirect you to your device's App Store or Play Store to download and install the game. After installation, you can launch it directly from your device's home screen or through the Netflix app under the Games section. Finally, log in using the profile verification of Netflix account, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can download GTA San Andreas on Android for free. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.